In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Microsoft Bookings links, time-saving tip. If you're tired of the back and forth of scheduling, sharing your Microsoft Bookings link is one of the fastest ways to let people pick a time that works for both of you. I'll walk you through the simplest way to grab that link and get it in front of your clients or colleagues. First, head to Microsoft Bookings. You can get there from the web by signing into your Microsoft 365 account and opening Bookings, or by going directly to the Bookings homepage. If you use this often, it's a great idea to bookmark the page so it's always just a click away. Once you're in, go to your booking page. This is the public-facing page where people can see your availability and book time. If you manage multiple calendars or services, make sure you're on the specific booking page you want to share. A quick check here helps ensure you're giving people the right options and that your page is published and up to date. Now, look for the share icon. You'll typically find it toward the top of the page. Click it, and a panel will open with your shareable link. This link goes straight to your booking page so others can view your available times and lock in a meeting without any email ping pong. Next, copy the URL and paste it wherever your audience is most likely to see it. Drop it into emails when you're setting up meetings, add it to your email signature for ongoing convenience, share it in Teams chats so internal colleagues can book you quickly, or place it on your LinkedIn profile or website so external contacts can schedule time without asking. For clarity, add a short line next to the link, like pick a time that works for you so people know exactly what to expect when they click. If you want to send it straight from bookings, click the email button in the share panel. This opens a pre-composed message that already includes your link. You can edit the subject and message to match your tone, add recipients, and send it right away. It's perfect for quick professional outreach that guides clients directly to your calendar. Before you share widely, it's smart to test the link yourself, ideally in a private or incognito window, just to confirm everything looks right from the recipient's perspective. That little check can prevent confusion later. And that's it. Open Microsoft Bookings, go to your booking page, click the share icon, copy the link to paste anywhere you need, or use the built-in email button to send a ready-made message. This one habit can save you a surprising amount of time every week.